After the service section, we will create our testimonial section. So what I will do, I will create another section. I will copy this heading, copy, and just paste it here. It should be like our customers. What I will do, like this, and what I will add here, I will add here a testimonial. There are multiple testimonials available. You can use any of them. Suppose that if I'm going to use this, something like this. Okay. Yeah, it's better. Use a style. Style is very good. Testimonial. I will go back to there and I will choose like any name. Okay. I will choose an image for that person. Okay, like he. Insert media and a logo of the company. Back to there. Upload. Something like this company. And I will insert media. I will have to change a name. Suppose that name is Puneet Shivai. Designation like software developer. Okay. What text you can write like learning is very important part of our life. It should not be review text, but I'm writing something like this. You can write any of this. So you can customize all of the testimonials. Okay, you have to just change the name like take after that designation. You can say TO, whatever you want. Okay, it's not seeker. Okay, review text, and then again you can choose an image for them. Let me upload it again, and I will choose this image now. Insert media. After that, a logo. I will choose another logo for that. Select file, and now this logo maybe that media. So now it will look like something this. Okay, I'm not doing all the things. Refresh it here. Now it's look like something like that. Okay. Cool. So this was our customer section. You can say our testimonial section.